South Africa, situated at the southern tip of African continent, is a land of remarkable diversity both in its landscapes and its people. Its scenic beauty spans from the lush gardens routes with its coastal cliffs and forests to arid deserts to Klefani and iconic Table Mountain overlooking Cape Town. The nation culture's tapestry is equally rich, comprising the kaleidoscope of ethnic groups, including the Zulu, Soha, and Sotho peoples, as well as descendants of European and Asian cultures and other African immigrants. South Africa's complex history, marked by colonialism and apartheid, has evolved into a vibrant democracy since the early 1990s, when Nelson Mandela became its first black president. However, the legacy of apartheid still lingers in socio-economic disasters that parasites in the country, making it a place of ongoing challenges and progress. Its wildlife and national parks like Kruger and Adobo elephants are renowned for its conservation efforts and biodiversity, showcasing the Big Five and array of unique flora and fauna. The nation also boasts a thriving arts and music scenes with globally recognized fixtures and landscape. South Africa, with its mixed natural wonders, culture riches, and a complex history, continues to captivating the inspired of world.